everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are here for episode 2 of Treasure Tuesday. So it's a new series I just kicked off where I am sharing some treasures of mine that have special meaning to me, and I thought it would be fun to just capture those on video and share them with you all. I would love to hear down in the comments down below if you have some treasured items that you will always keep or that you love to have in your house. And also over on Junk Journal Friends, I would love to see pictures of any of your treasure items. If you missed last week's episode, make sure to go back and check it out. I will create a playlist with these videos. So let's get started into this week's treasures. So I'll start with this Peanuts book first. This, I absolutely love Peanuts. I love Snoopy. I love it all. When I was a kid, I always loved watching the, Halloween special, the Christmas special. So this book, and I loved Peanuts. So I think my mom and dad gave me this book, and it's The Peanuts Treasury by Charles M. Schulz. And I'm pretty sure it had a book sleeve that I think is probably all tore up. But so you can see it's a little bit dirty and mussed up, but so am I. And I'm probably older than this book. I don't know. But you could see it when I was a kid. I loved writing my name and address all in my books. So that was hilarious. But I love having my handwriting from when I was a little kid. I mean, I wrote it 4 or 5 times. It's crazy. But I just cannot bring myself to tear this book apart. I just love periodically pulling it out and looking through it. So this copyright is 1968. I probably got it when I was probably 5 or 6 years old, something like that. So, let's see. But let me just flip through a few of the pages. Just absolutely full of just all the different cartoons. And I love reading cartoons. My dad always read the comics, my mom, and so I got the love of reading the comics from them. But it's just chock full of them. So many comics. And I think it's an awesome book. I think it must have got a little bit wet because it is kind of wavy, warped here a little bit. But I think it makes these pages have this lovely crinkly sound that we love. Hopefully y'all can hear that. But it's just pages and pages of these cartoons. So I'm so excited that my mom didn't get rid of this book. And I love that I have this in my book collection now. So, yeah, so that's my first book. Yes, I love watching all of the Peanuts specials. The Great Pumpkin and the one about the Christmas tree. So many good memories I have from Peanuts. Now, the second one I have is this cookbook. So this is Sissy Gregg's cookbook. And Sissy Gregg was a food critic and food writer for our newspaper, the Courier Journal. So this was published in October 4th of 1953. And my mother, she was an avid cooker. Like she had to cook lunch and dinner for us. She'd make breakfast for my dad, make my dad's lunch before he went to work. You know, she worked outside the home before she had kids, and then she became work from home mom. And so she has so many cookbooks, so many recipes. This was one of those, and I am just blessed to have this book. And I don't think I'll be able to ever tear it apart. We'll see. But the images and the colors in this book are amazing. And Sissy Gregg, she was kind of a local celebrity around here. And she has tons of recipes in here. So I'm so lucky to have found this copy, and I just don't think I'll ever be able to tear it apart. But I love all of just these advertisements and the bright colors that they use. And then I love how this paper, I don't know if it was this kind of yellowed or brown, or if it came from age that way. But here is Sissy right here. And we would always read the recipes in the newspaper every week. You know, she would either be reviewing restaurants or posting recipes, and just love that. It's such a great memory. And this looks delicious right here. Love that. But so I haven't reread this yet, but I definitely plan to. But just like, look at these advertisements, just amazing. And I don't remember this grocery store. What is that? Stedens supermarkets. I don't remember that. If we went to that, I don't remember it. But just love all this imagery, these ads. I mean, these make great items in my junk journals, but I just can't bring myself to cut it apart. So this is definitely a treasure for me. It's fallen apart a little bit, but that's okay. I'm good with that. But look at these ads. So I'll probably scan, especially some of these loose pages, I'll scan some of these in and use them. But just look at these. Love it. So pretty. But I love this. And I think my mom has a copy of this book, but I'm not 100% sure. But when I stumbled across this, I had to pick it up at the thrift store. So this is definitely a treasure for me. And it just brings back so many fun memories of watching my mom cook. And she probably used a lot of these recipes, honestly. So yeah, a lot of fun memories. One of my fondest memories is I had one of those record players that it had for 45s. You would close it and it would play, and you'd open it and it would stop. And I would sit there on the step while Mom was cooking, and I would play music, and she would kind of dance around the kitchen. So such fun memories. But yeah, so let me know in your comments down below if you have any items that you treasure, and if you want to share pictures of those, you can do that over in Junk Journal Friends on Facebook. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm having a lot of fun just looking through these again and sharing them with you all. So thank you to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate you all. And remember to hit the like button and share this video, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.